Hey beauties, Andrea. My hair is wet with deep conditioner because that's what I use to detangle my hair. As long as it has good slip, I skip the conditioner. And I'm going to be detangling my hair using two brushes. Not four, two. The brushes are the FLEXY brush and the DENMAN brush. I've already done reviews on both of them, and a fellow subscriber wanted to know which one is best, which one works best. I want to let you guys know I do like both. But if I'm traveling or anytime I need an emergency, I need to get one, I'll definitely get a DENMAN brush. Maybe because it's cheaper or it's just travel size friendly, more friendly than this big thing over here. On my left side, I'm going to use the FLEXY brush. I am going to start on the bottom. No, I'm not going to divide this in four. I usually divide my hair, all my hair in two before I start. So I'm going to go a little bit closer to the camera. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm not going to fast forward this, okay? I'm going to do the whole thing. I like sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's easier when I get some type of a detangling brush that looks like a paddle brush. When I detangle it going down like this, it feels like it detangles out easier. I don't know. Something about detangling with the paddle brush shape, standing upright. Something about that makes the whole process easier. Okay. Moving up. This was definitely very easy. As you can see. If you're wondering what deep conditioner I have in, is the Manuka and Honey by Shea Moisture, the deep conditioning treatment, okay? So I am done detangling with the FLEXY brush, as you saw, and it was pretty much very easy. And the FLEXY brush works amazing on my daughter's 3C 4A hair. Amazing, okay? And not the DENMAN brush. DENMAN brush does not work really great on her hair, okay? Now on my right side, I'm gonna use the DENMAN brush, starting from the bottom as well. All right. Louder. Moving up. By the way, don't be scared of the noise. If I hear anything that's like pulling my hair out, literally, if I feel it, I'll definitely stop. It's not pulling my hair or hurting my hair, basically, my scalp or anything like that. I was definitely going to tell you that they feel exactly the same, but now that I've used them at the same time, in the same video, I have different thoughts. Okay, so let me take the hair out of both so you can see. Just because I'm showing you guys the hair from the brushes, it does not mean that it got ripped out of my scalp. It just means probably shedding that was in there and, you know, the brush kind of took it out of there. That's all. I feel like this is exactly the same amount. Maybe the DENMAN brush has slightly more hair, okay? Yeah. So I could definitely say that the DENMAN brush, of course, the bristles are longer. They are more flexible though. The FLEXY brush, the bristles are shorter. They're a little bit harder but soft at the same time. Does that make sense? This is the DENMAN brush. FLEXY brush. You know what I mean? They seem more silicone-y, more soft silicone-y, and this is more hard plastic. DENMAN brush's bristles are longer. It tends to grasp the hair better and pull it, making that noise. In contrary to the FLEXY brush, once it grabs, it kind of pulls a little to detangle and then lets it go. So I would say that the FLEXY brush could be more gentle than the DENMAN brush. Let's see. Yeah, I can feel the pulling on the DENMAN brush. Yeah, and another thing that I realized, the FLEXY brush, it reminds me a lot of the Tango Teaser, but the difference is the bristles are all the same size, and they're all like kind of leaning in a way, making that separate white to the comb effect. As far as grasping, You can hold it both very well. You have good grip on both of them. Man, I didn't know I was gonna do this. I didn't know I was gonna say this. I did the top 5 brushes. The DENMAN brush was first, and then the FLEXY brush. But now, I would say the FLEXY brush is what I recommend. It goes faster to detangle. You probably could think, oh my goodness, your hair wasn't even that tangled. It actually was tangled. Maybe it wasn't crazy tangled, but it was tangled. I just have a pretty good deep conditioner in, and I use the brushes, okay? This actually worked on my daughter's 3C 4A hair. I would say it would work on most hair types. I'll tell you to get the FLEXY brush before you get the DENMAN. But if you can afford it, the DENMAN, which is just fine. Alright, that is my review / comparison. If you want to see separate reviews on each of them, I'm going to leave them down below, a close up and everything. You're going to get all that down below. This was just a little comparison, an add-on. Because the subscriber asked, of course, if you asked, I'm going to do it. I'm going to have more brush / comb reviews coming up after this video, so check it out. Stay tuned, check my channel. Since YouTube is not letting anybody know when I upload, just keep coming back and check my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you, guys.